Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock solutions for cereal dilution. A stock solution is a highly concentrated liquid mixture that serves as a starting point for creating a series of less concentrated solutions. This method is incredibly efficient, saving you valuable time and minimizing potential errors during repeated measurements. Ensuring your initial stock solution is prepared precisely is absolutely vital for the accuracy and reproducibility of all your downstream experiments. Before you begin, you need to calculate the exact amount of solute required. First, decide on your target concentration and the total volume of stock solution you wish to prepare. Then, use the formula: mass equals concentration multiplied by volume multiplied by the molecular weight of your compound. For instance, if you aim for a 1 molar solution, you'll need 1 mole of the substance dissolved in 1 liter of solvent. Now, let's prepare it. Carefully weigh out the precise amount of solute you calculated using a high-precision analytical balance. Transfer this solute into a volumetric flask of the correct size. Add a small amount of your chosen solvent to dissolve the solute completely, swirling gently. Finally, carefully add more solvent until the meniscus reaches the calibration mark, ensuring thorough mixing. Proper storage is key to maintaining the integrity of your stock solution. Always label your container clearly with the solution's concentration, the preparation date, and your initials. Store it under conditions specific to your solute, which might include refrigeration, protection from light, or in an airtight container. Regularly inspect the solution for any signs of degradation or contamination to ensure its continued reliability for future experiments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.